Bro.
How late does the grocery outlet stay open until?
9.
9.
Bless you.
Bless you. Wow, Wallace is giving Lily a run for her money, really. Don't come crying to me.
Don't worry. I don't got you. You know the picture.
Wallace. Wallace is green.
There's a whole lot of love going on there, huh?
His pillow for his size.
Yep.
Wallace is really
Wallace is a savage.
strong, a total savage.
William Wallace, that's his name. He's named after a Scottish ruler.
Yeah.
That was good stuff right there. That was adorable. A little love break.
Yeah.
It's a little sweet nothing.
Yeah. That was like, you cool.
Uh-oh, watch your face, Wallace. Watch your face.
No wonder they're so tired every day.
Click, click, click. That's definitely family, you know? Wow.
Just lightly chomping on
Yeah.
his skin under his chin. That's super duper
Wallace
funny.
is like, oh, you got me all horny now, dude.
Yeah.
Baby. Uh-oh. Lily's not gonna let it happen. Yeah, she's all no. Ow, my neck is scary. Scary. See, Lily,
Yeah,
you should have
they
known.
love each other.
You should have known,
Yep.
Lily.
In the face.
It's your own damn fault.
I'll lick it up for you.
Pansy.
She's like, actually, you're...
Evil eye, that's serious. Don't mess, Wallace. Game over. You won, but don't push it. Wallace has to, like, push it.
Uh-huh.
He's a habitual line pusher.
A what?
A habitual line pusher.
Lime cooker?
Pusher.
Wallace is just like this.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Just not moving, just like this.
Exactly.
That was so funny. Lily's like this everywhere. And then